Hey gang, Carl here. Back to the Rippie Motorsports Corvette. I want to maybe you can go on the discovery with me, the path. So if you have been following the three videos of kind of validating this car, doing some tuning, vehicle speed did not work. As in, even the PCM was not getting vehicle speed. And I troubleshot, the wires have continuity, the sensor works, and actually what it turned out to be is something real simple. I didn't have the code for the 6-speed ZF in HP tuners. Paul DeBoer at Torque had helped me with that. He sent me the code that would need to be in there, and basically that speed sensor that's in the ZF has very few segments, let's say, so the pulses per mile, it's something like 2, but it was simple as code. But the dash still doesn't work. So this PCM right here, I did not repin it. The car was driving fine, off the trailer to here. And if you will see in some of the videos, the first video, I found that one coil wire was shorted, intermittent, and it was pinched. I validated that everything was wired right with fuel injectors and with coils. That's all I validated. Now, when I went to start troubleshooting for vehicle speed sensor, initially, right off the bat, there's 2 wires for speed sensor, and it's like it goes into red for the LS. It goes into red 20 and 21. Let me verify that. Yeah, so, well, it was in red 20 and red 22 initially. So I put it to red 20, red 21. Still didn't work initially until I got the code in there right. But that's the history. That leads me to believe there could be other wires not right. I never checked the output wire from this computer. Output wire that goes in to the speedometer and the central control module, or the body control module, and ABS, all that. I never checked that. I haven't checked all the wires. I have no reason to check any other wires because the engine runs. But the speedometer on the dash doesn't work. So am I going to be able to just find it and all of a sudden it's not the right wire plugged into the right spot? I hope so, because that'd be an easy fix. See how easy it is to access a Corvette computer. I don't know which one's red. Is the top one red? Okay. If I read that right, you need to come down here. I wanted to get this live. 50 is empty. Daggone it. What kind of pin job do we have going on here? I don't want to harp on it. Well, why? You're troubleshooting right with me here. Check this out. Okay, so I'm not going to just any green. I'm going to just double check the dark greens with the white stripe. Not the light green. This is all green. Here is a dark green with a white stripe, and it's in 52. Red 52. I just wanted to see where red 52 is supposed to be, and it's a not used. But look at it. It needs to be in 50. That's a wire that's not used, and it's one that I can use and not worry that it's going to someplace else because it's a not used wire. So let me move it and hope that solution is all it is in the repinning. It can't be that simple. I mean, I spent a lot of research, and it was good learning. It was not too. It was still good learning, but the customer would have his car now if right off the bat everything worked, like speedometer here. So now it's in 50. We'll verify it. Yep. I'll take you down here and show you. Next to that yellow is 51. The green is 50. Oh, look at that. It was the wiring from the previous shop. Now I gotta calibrate it. All right, so good news. Speedometer works. Carl LT1 engines. Take care.